What's up, guys? Daniel is being a true homie, and he got me, access, I guess, to review a Honda Civic Type R. Yeah. Brand new, fresh from the factory. We're just waiting on his buddy.
Wait, stop right here.
What?
He's right here.
What do you mean? No, you said a Honda Civic Type R. This was a Honda Civic.
Well, I mean, it's a Honda Civic, all right.
But you said it was a brand new Type R.
Well, I knew you wouldn't have came if I said it was the normal Honda Civic.
Are you fucking serious? So I'm reviewing this today. You got me out from beating my meat to review this. Are you fucking kidding me?
Pretty dope car. It's a classic.
Yeah. What am I supposed to do with this? What do you want me to do with it?
Review it.
Review it? There's not shit to review.
Look at this thing. VTEC. Want to check under the hood?
There's VTEC?
Yeah. Check it out.
I'm excited. I'm going for this close shot.
Check it out.
This shit doesn't even fucking open. Are you fucking kidding me? There we go. Are you serious? This is what I'm doing today. It's held together by fucking duct. It's held together by duct tape.
That's called character. The car has character.
You're wasting my time.
And then I got a dent here from the wind speed. Beating.
You got condensation from what? Driving 200 miles an hour, the moisture just went straight in?
The engine got a little too hot for the speed, so the light glass started melting.
Is it supposed to be orange here?
A little bit. Yeah, it's the heat shield, so.
Alright, well, fuck it. I'll make it a Type R real quick, okay? You just hold on.
Okay. Damn.
Damn, alright. Alright, I can review this now. This shit's starting to look pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. I got it all over my fucking hands, but I think I did a pretty good job.
Put Type R like right here under the EX. The Y's under case again.
It's my signature, okay? Dude, that's pretty good.
That's a big ass R.
I gotta let them know.
It's Type R.
Alright, Type R. Dude, that actually looks pretty dope.
Damn, that does look pretty legit.
Oh, personal signature on that.
Fucking A, you put the whole back wing.
Alright, well, let's fucking get on with this review. Now I can actually review it. Type R now.
Damn, and this is the M4.
Oh, it's an M4?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Damn, my car looks fucking nice.
Oh, it's an M4, right?
Yeah, no, just don't put that shit on my car.
It's an M4.
Oh my god.
It's an M4,
that is the
right?
ugliest looking 4 I've ever seen in my life.
That's the M Motors. Oh, you know what? I
No.
forgot. Don't they have like the little lines behind?
Oh my god.
Alright, well, fuck it. I'm not happy about it, but let's review this.
Fucking A.
Hop in. Alright, guys, yeah, with my own personal touches. This is now. It looks like it just says Typer. Typer? Yeah, it doesn't look like it says Type R. That's fucking badass right there. Type R spoon.
So how's the car feel?
Well, I hear wind.
It's VTEC.
That's not VTEC. That's just wind. It's a piece of shit. What do you want me to say? I can't see jack shit either, so I'm gonna steal your friend's sunglasses.
Yeah, those are Oakleys. You need them for the wind.
Yeah, these are Oakleys and this is a Type R, right?
I saw him on the track. I saw the Oakleys blow off one time because he was going too much and the blow off valve kicked back a little bit.
You wanna feel a pull?
Yeah, let's hit it.
Alright, I'm dropping. It's stick shift, so watch this.
Oh fuck.
First gear.
Shit. Fuck. Is this legal?
Dude, and there's no AC. Like, that tape isn't doing shit under the hood.
Yeah, dude, I'm not gonna have AC on this thing.
Why?
Dude, it's a track car.
You could have AC in a track car. If your car's super fast and it blows around every other car, why can't you have AC?
Well, it's super fast for a reason, because I took the AC out.
For what? What'd you take the AC out for?
Well, because I already get enough wind in here already from the fucking windshield. I already told you that it blows off my sunglasses sometimes.
Alright, watch this. This is gonna be a hard pull.
355.
A hard pull right here.
Alright, let's hit it. Fresh new wheels.
Oh,
shit.
Fuck. Yeah, that guy didn't want into this business.
Too much power.
Alright, watch this. Bro, we're gonna blow up this engine. That didn't even get us past the speed limit. I was holding it down for a while. No. I got a good idea. I'll put it to good use.
What do you mean?
Oh, you'll see. I mean, I'm forced to drive this piece of shit, so.
There's no tracks nearby.
Well, no shit. So that's why I got a better idea. Oh, fucking Toyota.
Better idea. I mean, there's no drag strip either.
No, you'll see. This is way better. You hear that engine though?
VTEC.
That shit sounds like VTEC. Watch, you're gonna hear the blow-off valve right now. You hear that? That shit was dope.
The glasses stayed on this time. Pulling up to a Walmart.
Yeah, we made it. I'm putting it to good use. I told you. We got here in record time getting groceries. Sit your ass
moron.
back. Yeah, I mean, I had to run errands anyway, so I figured, you know, kill two birds with one stone. I didn't want to take out my other cars for this waste of gas. This thing gets great gas economy, so.
So you're using my friend's Type R.
Yeah, Type R, okay.
To get groceries.
That's all they're used for. I don't know what else they'd be used for, so. This is what your friend does on a daily basis, isn't it? They daily drive it, so I guess they're daily driving it to the grocery store.
LeVar Ball. Okay, well, I think that's also one of my friends. I think he stopped by here.
Oh, that's for the other fucking review?
Yeah, that was actually the next car. That's his daily. This is the track car.
Oh, okay, he's just chilling at Walmart?
Yeah, well, I think that you got the extra trunk space with that car.
Well, here, you chill in the car. You keep guard of your friend's Type R because it's, you know, very expensive.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go get some groceries.
Okay.
You can stay with the windows up.
Fucking A. Like a dog.
No, dogs get a cracked window. People who don't give me a Type R, they don't get any window.
Motherfucker locked the door. Yeah, my shoes are clean as hell.
Groceries.
You really got groceries?
Dude, well, look at all this trunk space, bro. That's the only thing that's good about it. You got plenty of trunk space for groceries.
What the fuck?
That's a light trunk. That's weight reduction right there. So cosmetically, I don't know how anyone could find any Honda attractive. I mean, they look bland as hell. This one is pretty cool because it's got that little burnt orange heat shield on it, so that's pretty dope. The dents from all the bugs going 200 miles an hour, that's pretty cool, but I mean, honestly, I don't know what you can do to make this look better, except maybe buy a different car. Speed-wise, where are you guys getting Hondas that are going fast from? This shit isn't fast. I drove the Honda. I feel like killing myself now. So, there's that. This Camaro's driving by.
Rice. Rice.
The back looks nice now that I've touched it. Before that, it looked like shit. Like, I don't care how much lowering you put on this car and camber and shitty chrome wheels, it's not gonna look good. Alright, Daniel, how did you feel about the car?
I thought the car was actually pretty nice. I mean, it might not have been the current Type R, but I mean, it's a classic prototype.
Talking about this car, right?
Yeah.
So would you trade this over your Beamer?
Well, I mean, like,
I mean, if you will, I mean,
you know me, I'm such a German fanatic, so I mean, just because of that, you know, maybe not, but I mean, if I had a Mustang, then yeah.
Alright guys, that's probably going to wrap up this review. I mean, the only thing good out of this was I got a new pair of shades. This car literally has nothing going for it. It's slow, it's ugly, and overall it's cheap. I mean, you can't do anything cool in this car. It's not rear wheel drive. You can't do donuts. You can't race in it. You can't pick up chicks in it. And you can't make it look cool either, so. Type R badge look cool.